Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So guys, by the title below, I'll be doing a get ready with me for my nail appointment and just a little maintenance. You know, I want to get myself ready for Vlogmas, so I want to feel rejuvenated. Even if Vlogmas never right around the corner, I would still go and do this because I need a pedicure so badly, and I want to get my nails done. But I'm on rush because, well, I'm not late, but the amount of minutes where it's gonna take me for reach on my nail tech, yeah, I should have leave out already. Anyways, y'all remember the try on haul that I did with the outfits from Temu? Yes. So I made a promise that I would, you know, put an outfit together, and if me I look the way the guys are because me I look on the outfits. But yeah, I made a promise that I would put some outfits together and do a little get ready with me. So as promised, I'm doing just that today. Let me show you guys the outfits that I took out. Also, this robe is from Temu. I'm not supposed to remember it, but for those who missed it, I'll put a screenshot right here just to show you guys the price and everything. But yeah, cute, cute, cute. Love it, guys. When I tell you I wear this robe 24/7, the material is so good, feels so soft and comfy. Anyways, the outfits. So these are what I put together, and when I go tell me how them look. So I definitely want to wear this this top, this bodysuit. I'll put a screenshot to show you guys the price. I got it in black, black, brown, and this color, but I want to wear this color today. I want to wear white, and then I have two options for the bottom. So let me show you. Either this black shorts. Love this denim shorts, feels so good. It's stretchy and it's not too tight. It's very baggy, so I think these two would look so good together. And guys, know what the best time for you to go grab them here, you know, because Black Friday sale. Oh, no, make use of the Black Friday sale, you know. I'm going to link these in my description box so you guys can click the link down below. But yeah, I just think these two would look so good together, you know, because of the little white petal there, you know, tight in back. Love that. Also, someone made a comment on the try on haul saying that the white with this would look so good together, you know, when it dress up with gold jewelry and stuff like that. So I think I would want to wear this as well. I'm not sure what to do, so you guys leave in the comment section which one of the things look better together. This I scream my name though. I think it looks more classy, and I have the black, I have the brown, but I just think the brown them no match. Let me show you. All of them are the same thing, but I just feeling the white today. So I could wear the black if I wanted with these. Could I like pop in back a little bit of color with the purple bag I got from them as well. I don't know. Also, these would have looked so cute as well. Oh, I mean, if I wear these together, I won't be able to wear this bag, and I feel like I want to wear it today. I've never worn it. From I got it, I just hung it up. So guys, what do you think? What should I do? What should I do? I'm gonna have much time, you know. So I see the brown here. So this is a two-piece, guys. Remember, it came with a top, same color, same material, but the top can't fit me, so I can't even include the top. But this came with those. The brown them don't match. You guys probably don't see it on camera, but them not match. Alright, the brown is out of it completely. You know what? One way to find out, and is to try them on. I think I love these more. What do you think? I'm gonna work with this, guys. So let us get into, you know what, let me get some jewelry. So for jewelry, I'm doing my necklace with my name. It's an ear pair. Oftentimes people see it and get confused. I'm like, huh? What a pair necklace? Cute. And this bracelet, cute and classy. Alright, and I'm going to do my watch as well. I'm so hot. I put it on the same hand. I think it will look good on the same side. I mean, yeah. Okay. Guys, remember, me is not a proper wig girly, you know, so yeah, try a thing with the wig. That's it, guys. Really and truly, that is it. I'm going to pack up this bag because I've never used it before. So just my lip gloss, and you know what, I'll pack it off camera. So I'm at my nail appointment, and because my day are chat, I don't remember for telling us that I reached, but the conversation was so good. Let me see it. I'll already get my pedicure, and now my nails them are polish. Where do one baby pink color. My nails not started though. Alright guys, I'm just finished with my pedicure. I'm hungry. Wanna hear me say I go up on a lunch date and get something nice to drink? One herbal restaurant, they're on the plaza here, so may I see what them have. Oh, okay. Natural juice, wellness shots, smoothies, plant-based food, breakfast and lunch, health food restaurant. So guys, let us see what them have. Let us see. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Great. And get some vegan ackee, that's the ackee without saltfish, and some curried beans, coconut.
Okay. You can mix it?
Yeah man, you can get whatever.
And what's the price for that?
That is gonna be $13.50.
Alright, that's a problem. So I want that and the June plum juice.
Alright.
So guys, normally on the menu them have vegan jerk ackee. Them have curried mushroom with sweet potato, curried beans, brown rice and peas, pumpkin quinoa, sweet mashed potato. For natural juice, normally they would have pumpkin sea moss, cucumber, melon, beetroot, carrot and turmeric, pine and ginger, June plum and star fruit. Oh, I know that's supposed to be nice. And then coming soon, breakfast, plant-based burger, gluten-free, pastry. Okay, and this place is located in Old Harbour. This is my meal. Oh, so it's ackee. Is this chickpeas?
Yes, chickpeas and broad bean mix.
Oh, quinoa and some salad.
Yeah.
Guys, it looks so good. I can't close it up because I'm going to eat up there, so.
Okay. Right.
And then the June plum juice. Smells really good. Presentation is really nice. So it's chickpeas with broad bean, ackee, just ackee, salad. It look like it have cranberry in there, purple cabbage, tomatoes and quinoa. And I got some June plum juice. Let us try it. Alright. This gets good. And guys, I'm gonna be honest, because why would I lie? This nice. Everything together tastes so good. May I get a little bit of spicy, may I get a little bit of sweet. I think the spicy is coming from the broad bean and the chickpeas. I not even know say so chickpeas taste good. This motivate me to start eat better. Like I try, but I need to try harder because them stuff here tastes really good. And the cranberry in the vegetable, I give it the sweetness, so it's a perfect balance of everything. Love it. I taste coconut milk, so I guess the chickpeas and the broad bean cooked down in a coconut milk and curry. If you're not there in All Harbor and you want something healthy and hot to eat, stop here. So I gotta ask her the specific, I don't remember the plaza here name, but I'll ask her. And not to mention, the location is so secluded and private, so you can just sit outside, because I'm outside now. And like a patio thing, or no, you would call this gazebo, you'd call it a patio. But may I show you when we finish. So peaceful and quiet. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish up my food and come back. I want to make it quick because my nail tech soon finish with the person what you have now. Yeah, that was good. That was really good. I'm a belly full. I'm leaving. The meal was so good. Lord God, my exposed. Oh, it gone back to normal. Not only was the meal good, but the lady, her customer service is really good. She said she want me to come back, so me and Jessica go come back. She said she want me to try them air fried cauliflower and some other stuff, so I'm excited for that. I just love when people can play around with, you know, healthy food. I'm done. So cute. But I know Miss Almond girly, so I couldn't expect no better from me. Jason, if you come pick me up. Yes, babe. This man, he came in here earlier and I said pumpkin, guava, sorrel. But me see this and the sorrel here look different. So I want to taste it different. The one I have up yard, it's red. So this is burgundy. This is not red. This is burgundy to black. When I ever see it before?
Wow.
It's sorrel. You know it?
Yeah, but you ready? Yeah,
alright, bye baby.
Bye, Rudy.
You take 5 poses of an hour here.
I've never seen it. Wow, and it bigger, more different, stylish.
It look different. It's darker.
What you da call you know?
He said near Rasta
sorrel, he said.
Rasta sorrel, Jamaican people call it, but the thing they want, we call the one, you know, the agriculture one.
Oh, so they're fully a fertilizer.
So the sorrel is?
No, man, a different species.
This
You
one
find
of
this
bigger.
foreign, you know, this one a Jamaican, whatever you know, this one a Jamaican flower, you know. 'Cause
This
our
one a
sorrel
Jamaican?
different. No, our sorrel smaller and it look like a flowers itself. It's that look like locks.
Oh.
Yeah, that look like locks.
So Rasta sorrel. Guys, me gonna make it two of them because me want to taste the difference and me want to see
Yes,
color.
and the color, yeah.
So that is something very interesting for Vlogmas. We look out for in a Vlogmas. Although me no want to keep it and it got spoiled because I'm not really ready for Vlogmas. But I'm starting to, you know, prep myself and get myself ready. Guys, me confirm it. Me I go home, go put some baby hair in the wig hair. Me keep on and look on it and feet start bother me. I need some baby hair. I'm not a baby hair girly, so me just a go do, you know, like a soup yourself. As me say, me do nothing. That's it. See there? Just take up it, put it on my head. The only thing it not flat. That flat, you notice it high because the camera, how much camera I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 camera I have in my head, guys. I want to know my hair fat, so I need it for wash. I wanted to wash my hair today as well, but that not work out, so I go see if I can get level for clean it smaller for me so that we can lay flat on my head. But really and truly, guys, mega end of the vlog now. Thank you so much for keeping my company today. Today was very productive. I got everything done. My belly feels good. I'm not hungry, but I know my husband's supposed to be hungry, so I'm still left with the task of going home to prepare something to eat. But me good. Me not think me gonna eat nothing more. I feel like me have my life all together when me eat healthy. Anyways, beautiful people, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trust the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Remember, the link to all the outfits that I showed you guys earlier will be in my description box. So click the link, check them out. I know it's the best time to shop on Temu because them have them Black Friday sale. So I'm gonna make use of that. Okay? Bye guys.